Hello, this is Sunny from Bonnen Battery. Bonnen Battery is a lithium battery manufacturer for EVs projects. We are showcasing our 96V 200Ah battery system, primarily designed for electric vehicles and electric boats. This is the charge port and charging cables, which connect to our onboard charger's output port. We utilize Anderson 200Ah connectors that can support up to 200Ah during discharging. Additionally, this is the MSD switch, which facilitates maintenance by connecting and disconnecting the battery system. The display cable connects to our monitor, which provides crucial information about the battery system, including cell data, alarm notifications, and user details. You can easily view the charging status, battery voltage, and current on this display. Lastly, this is the communication port and cables, along with the release valve for safety.